Today we are going to study about collection classes in Java. My name is Aditya and let's start. So, what are collection classes? In Java, collection classes are a group of classes that are used to store and manipulate group of related objects. These classes are part of the Java collections framework, which is a set of interfaces and classes that provide a unified high-performance way to store and process collections of objects. In Java, collection classes are used to group and organize related objects. The Java collection framework provides a set of interfaces and classes that can be used to manipulate collection of objects. Some of the common collection classes in Java are list. A list is an ordered collection of elements that can contain duplicate elements. Some common implementations of the list interface are array list, linked list, and vector. Set. A set is an unordered collection of elements that does not allow duplicate. Some common implementation of the set interface are hash set, reset, and linked hash set. Third, queues. A queue is a collection of elements that supports adding elements at one end and removing elements from the other end. Some common implementation of the queue interface are linked list and priority. Map. A map is a collection of key-value pair where each key is a unique and maps to single pair. Some common implementation of the map interfaces are hash map, tree map, and linked hash map. A stack. A stack is a collection of elements that supports adding and removing elements from the top of the stack. The stack class is a legacy class that has been replaced by the DQ interface, which is implemented by classes such as array, DQ, and linked. These collection classes are a part of Java collection framework and provide a wide range of functionality for manipulating and organizing data in Java program. Now, what are the various collection classes in Java? List, set, map, queue, and dequeue. We'll look at them one by one. What is a list? A list is an ordered collection that allows duplicate elements. Example include array list and linked list. Set. Set is an unordered collection that does not allow duplicate elements. Examples include hash set and tree set. Map is a collection that maps key to values. Includes hash map and tree map. Queues, a collection used to hold elements prior to processing. Examples include priority queue and linked list. DQ, a double-ended queue that allows element to be inserted and removed from both ends. Example include array, DQ, and linked list. Now, we'll see what is an array list. In Java, array list is a collection class that provides a resizable array implementation of the list interface. It allows dynamic resizing of the underlying array to accommodate the addition or removal of elements. Let's take an example. Here we have a Java program that starts by importing the library of ArrayList, and then we declare our class named ArrayList example. We have our main function giving the strings and arguments, and this code ArrayList string list is equal to new ArrayList. We are creating the list interface. Then using the add function list.add, we are adding the elements into the list, so respectively 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how you can add elements into the array list. But now, how do we remove it? We use the dot remove function to remove it. As you can see, list dot remove, and whatever the element you want to remove from the array list will help you. Now, if we do not know the size of the list, how do we determine the size of the list? We just use the list.size function to do this. And to iterate inside the list, we use the command for string element in list, print all the elements present in the list. I hope this is clear. Moving forward to linked list. So what is linked list? Linked list is a concrete subclass of list interface. It belongs to Java util package. It maintains the insertion order. Iteration order is predictable, dynamic, growable, and shrinkable. So how do we do this program? We import the library using the import java.util library, and then we declare a class called gfg. We declare the main function with the strings and argument, And here we can see that we are creating the linked list named 11. So now how do we add it? As similar to array list, we do it using the add function and we print it. And how do we remove it? Similar to array, we use the dot remove function. So now moving to arrays, DQ. Array DQ class implements the DQ interface. It facilitates us to use the DQ. Unlike Q, we can add or delete the element from both the ends. Array DQ is faster than array list and stack and has no capacity restrictions. So we have a program for this too. This follows by import the utility, that is the library file. And then we create a class naming it. We declare the main function. We are now creating the array DQ using this command. And we are adding the elements in this array DQ by using the dq.add function. So here we can see that dq.add Gotham, dq.add Karan, dq.add Ajay. All of this will add elements into the array DQ. And to iterate and print what are the elements in the DQ, we'll use the following command for string str DQ, print whatever is there. That is println str. Coming to hash set. In Java, hash set is a collection class that provides an implementation of the set interface using a hash table. It is used to store a collection of unique elements and provide constant time performance for the basic operation, regardless of the size of the set. So now we have a program for this similar. Import java.util hash set. We are importing the library, of course, and then we are creating a class called hash set example. After that, we are declaring the main class with the string and arguments, and then we create the hash set. As you can see, using this command, hash set string set is equal to new hash set string. So this set is the name of this hash. So how do we add it? Add elements into this set using the dot add function. So here similarly you can see set dot add 1, set dot add 2, set dot add 3, set dot add 4, set dot add 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we have added into the hash set. Now how do we remove it? So set dot remove will use it. So now if you want to see what are the elements, like what does the third position in the hash set contains, we can do this using set.contains 3. At what position is 3 there? To find the size, we use set.size function. To iterate, we'll use the following command. Coming to priority queue. A priority queue interface maintains the first in first out order, that is the FIFO order. It can be defined as an ordered list that is used to hold the elements which are about to be processed. There are various classes like priority queue, DQ, and array DQ which implements the queue interface. The priority queue class implements the DQ interface. It holds the element or objects which are to be processed by the priorities. Priority queue does not allow null values to be stored in the queue. So import Java, the util.priority queue. We are importing the priority queue library from the Java package. Then declaring a class named priority queue example. Declaring the main function. Defining the new priority queue. Adding elements using the dot add function. With the elements using the dot remove function. To find the position, we use the dot contain. To find the size, we use the dot size. And to iterate, so all the functions that are there to add, remove, iterate are almost similar in set. Coming to the next and the last, tree set. In Java, tree set is an implementing class of set interface that belongs to Java, not util package. It will not accept duplicate object, will not maintain the insertion order, by default stores the elements in ascending order, can predict the iteration order, can accept only homogeneous elements. Import.java.util tree set, we are importing the library. Then we are declaring a class called name, the main function, declaring the set, adding elements, then printing out what is that, what are the elements in it, moving the elements, and what is the size of it. So this concludes the collection classes in Java. Thank you so much.